Good morning, students. Today we are going to start lecture 2. As we read about lecture 1, climate, culture and transport of Kolkata. Today we will tell you about the tourist places of Kolkata. So let's start the class. First is Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge, also known as Rabindra Setu, was constructed in 1943. This one, Howrah Bridge. You can see here Howrah Bridge. It was constructed in 1943. Second is Birla Planetarium. Is the largest planetarium in Asia. This is the picture of Birla Planetarium. Third is Indian Museum. Indian Museum is the largest and the oldest museum in India. This one, Indian Museum. It has a rare collection of antiques, means पुरानी चीजें, पुरानी चीजों का कलेक्शन है इस म्यूजियम में. नेक्स्ट, विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल is a marble museum built in 1921 in the memory of Queen Victoria of England. Victoria Memorial. Next is Eden Gardens. Eden Gardens is a cricket stadium in Kolkata. It was set up in 1864. This is the stadium of Kolkata, Eden Garden Stadium. Next is Salt Lake Stadium. Is the largest stadium in India in terms of seating capacity. This is the stadium of Kolkata. Name is Salt Lake Stadium. And other tourist places is Fort William Botanical Garden, Alipur Zoo, Ramakrishna Mission, Birla Mandir, Dakshmineshwar Temple and Nakoda Masjid are other places of tourist attraction in Kolkata. Kolkata also has a large number of places due to which it is sometimes referred to as the city of places. Sometimes referred to as the city of places. Now, industries of Kolkata. Kolkata is an important industrial city. Important industrial city. Jute industry is an important industry in Kolkata. This is the picture of jute industry. You can see here jute. This one jute. There are cotton and silk textile mills, paper mills, tea factories. This is the picture of cotton and silk textile. Then this one paper mill and this one tea factories. rice mill, electrical goods industries, leather goods industries, automobile industries, and rubber industries also in Kolkata. Now, government offices. The governor chief minister, along with the other ministers and senior officers of the West Bengal government, had their offices as well as residence in Kolkata. So, children, your chapter finally completed. In next video, I will discuss with you flow chart of Kolkata. Thank you.